Okay? Who's confused? Who's confused?
I looked away for 1 second and all those numbers.
5 plus 2 plus 1 minus 5.
Inside the parentheses, hold on, Harmony. Inside the parentheses, we have plus, 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 minus, right?
Yeah.
Adding and subtracting, right? Left to right. So we start from the left and go to the right. 1 plus 4 is what, Miss Wagner?
5.
5 plus 2 is what?
7.
7 plus 1.
8.
8 minus 5.
Hold on. I'm writing it down.
It's okay, take your time.
7 plus 1 is 8, minus 5 is 3. 6 divided by...
And then we just bring this 6.
6 divided by 3 is 2.
Harry?
I wrote it a different way, but it did the same answer. It entirely gets rid of the 7 plus 1 is 5. But you still get the same answer afterwards.
Yeah, well, let's not try to confuse the kids. If it works for you that way, then all good. Here's my thing. There are many different
ways.
How many of y'all, obviously none of y'all live at the same house. So clearly all of y'all take different routes to get home, right? There's more than one way for you to get home, whether you make a left or a right, correct?
Yes.
Well, I do not care how you make it from point A to point B. I don't care how you make it from point A to point B, as long as your point B is correct, okay? Whatever way you feel to do this problem is most comfortable for you, do it that way, okay?
I was really going to ask you if I did this right.
Did you do it right? Did you get this?
Yeah, and then I realized that it's all up on the board.
Yes, Hannah.
So this question is about parallel and perpendicular lines.
Okay.
And then it says the ratio length, and there's no numbers involved in the question.
Is it like a construct?
No, it says
Read the question.
line PQ is parallel to line RS.
Okay.
Line PQ and line QS are perpendicular to line PQ and line RS. The ratio of the lengths of PR line and SQ line is blank. But there are no numbers involved in the question.
They're the same.
They're equal, so you just put the letters.
So just 1, 1?
Yeah.
Because it isn't.
It shouldn't say 1, 1. It should be like the parallel sign.
Like whatever the sign is for that
What
variable.
do you mean?
What is the sign?
I'm gonna attend to you after I get done recording.
They're going to be all confused, they're going to stand there and be like,
All right, so
that's how I was.
the more y'all talk, the more I have to stop and the more I have to edit this video. So I'd appreciate it if we just keep moving along. Please and thank you. Because that's the longer I have to stay here.
Wait, so you edit your videos?
Yes.
True YouTuber, man. For real?
So, 5. Yes, I am.
What is it working?
So, number 5. Let's do number 7.
Right, I was on writing number 5.
Sorry. Let's do number 7.
Miss, oh yeah, sir.
Yes.
I need to go.
Get out of here.
Okay.
5. -4.
Oh.
Minus a -2. Minus 2 divided by parentheses -6. Minus a -5 times 12 divided by a -3.
It's cold.
Everyone don't start yet.
Now, a good way for y'all to get past this part is if you have, what do you say? If you have either colored pencils or highlighters. Highlighters help with this, okay?
I know what
Let me tell you why. Because I can just pretty much
Yeah.
I can show myself, okay, these two parentheses work with each other, okay? Laura, are you paying attention?
Yes.
Are you writing this stuff down?
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
He's confusing. I'm sorry, sis. Whatever you video.
So,
Pick up my book.
first things first.
Are you coming back? I don't know.
First things first. Let's go to the innermost parenthesis. Okay, so we have this parenthesis right here. PEMDAS starts all over again. So we search for the innermost parenthesis right here, okay? That's why we need to do that. That's why I ask y'all each and every time, when you go inside parentheses, what starts over again? PEMDAS, okay? So we're going to this parenthesis right here. -6 minus a -5. Yes,
Wait,
honey.
so that's what I was talking about. So it would be 6,
Hold on. 6 what?
6
What happens?
plus?
Yes.
Oh, so
Whenever you're subtracting a negative, it doesn't matter. When you're subtracting a negative, you turn it into a
so it
positive.
wouldn't have been 6 minus
What's -6 plus 5?
Negative 1.
9.
That's a negative
Negative.
one.
Whichever
Is it a
one.
negative 1?
Yes. Good job.
Wait,
Good job, Miss
where
Sullivan.
did it one from?
Miss Harmony. -6 plus 5. What's 5 minus 6?
5 is a positive, so positive into a negative, so take 5 away from the negative.
Oh, you have me thinking we're adding a.
I mean,
Jesus.
Harmony. They're different signs. Remember when I wrote down the difference?
They're not different signs.
They are different signs. Because that
That's
when you're subtracting a negative, what happens when you subtract a negative? You turn it to a
positive.
positive.
Oh.
Is that a -5 anymore?
No.
Exactly.
Oh, I get it.
So we have different signs, therefore we take the difference, okay?
See, this is why I got my test wrong.
It's okay. It's fine. Yes, it is. It is okay.
It's not.
-6 plus 5 is what? -1. Okay? So we have 5 parentheses -4 minus a -2 minus 2 divided by that times 12 divided by -3. Now, this 5 on the outside,
It's not.
leave it be for right now, okay? That's not going to come into the picture until the very end, yes.
So, never mind. I'll just wait till we get there.
Okay? So, categories. The categories come into play, okay? This is where the categories come into play. Notice how we have our division, okay? So, we are going to divide and multiply. This is our category right there, okay? This is our multiplication and division category. This is our addition and subtraction category, okay? Y'all see that? Do y'all see that?
Yeah.
Cool? Y'all still with me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Feliciana, you good?
No, wait,
Is mine that forehead and
Okay.
no, it's not in there.
No. So, because even though this 2 and that negative this 2 is being subtracted by that 2 right there, this 2 right here is being divided by that -1, okay? So, I'm going to write in the blue, okay? Because this is multiplication, okay? Multiplication and division go first. You see?
But why are you leaving the 5 out?
Because,
It's outside of the parentheses.
Oh.
good?
Oh, okay. I get it.
Okay? It's okay. Take your time. I'm taking my time, all right?
No, bro.
I'm gonna write this in blue, okay? Negative 2 divided by a negative 1 is what?
Negative. No, it's a positive then.
Yeah.
It's a positive what? 2. Good job. Negative 2 divided by a negative 1 is a positive 2. Times 12 divided by a negative 3. What is 2 times 12?
6.
Where are you guys getting 6?
24.
Oh,
24. Thank you. 24
You can't go into.
divided by a negative 3. What is 24 divided by a negative 3? Negative 8. Okay. It's a negative 8. Now, we're done with that part. Okay? We're done with that part. Now, let's do our adding and subtracting. First things first.
Put the negative in the minus sign into
Plus.
plus sign.
Yes. Okay? That turns into a plus. So, negative 4 plus 2 is what?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Okay? This comes down right there. Alright? Yes, Miss Harmony. Yes.
Oh, finally, bro. Okay, where did you get the negative 8 from? Is it because 3 is a negative?
Yes.
Okay.
24 divided by negative 3.
Because isn't there a rule like the larger number is like the sign? It's like
That's when you're adding and subtracting.
oh.
When we're doing the difference.
Okay, I got it now. I was confused.
It's okay. It's
I was
okay.
like, why is the 8 negative?
Because it can.
You know what? You know what? Here's the thing. I'm glad